The caseloads are so big, which is driving the most talented and experienced people out, and we're not able to replace them because folks know what the deal is and who would sign up for this.
Matthew Sanders, the interim director of the King County Department of Public Defense, says the state's court system is in the thick of a crisis.
It's not uncommon for our attorneys to carry 80, 90 felony cases, and you can't work on all of those at a time.
In King County, in 2024 alone, the Department of Public Defense has lost 19% of its lawyer workforce, 75% of whom were qualified to represent clients in the most serious cases.
In Olympia, attorneys testifying in a hearing today say new standards are needed.
The current standards assume that it takes 11 hours to complete each felony case.
But a national report published last year found the average time to represent an individual in an adult criminal case ranged from 286 hours to roughly 13 hours, depending on the type of case. A proposal aims to cut caseloads and add resources like more support staff in phases over 3 years. But critics say it's too costly.
If adopted and implemented, these standards will, at minimum, double or triple county costs without increased funding for these services.
Local jurisdictions would have approximately 30 months to triple the number of defense attorneys.
That's the pushback, but others argue that lawyers are leaving the profession while cases are piling up.
Right now in Yakima, there are over 320 people awaiting appointment of counsel. 70 of them are in custody.
Thankfully, we're not at that point. What's happening in Yakima, what's happening in Oregon, those are warning shots.
Sanders says if new standards are adopted, he thinks it will help retain and recruit more public defenders. Joyce?
And is there a timeline, Natalie, on when a decision is going to be made?
Well, not yet. Today, the state Supreme Court said written public comments will be accepted through October, and they will meet again and discuss this issue in November. Joyce?
Natalie, thank you.